Hello everyone. In today's What's Inside series, we're going to continue looking at the components of Arlo Essential Security Camera. This is part 2. I'll show you some of the key electronic components and their physical presence inside the camera. Sorry, this video is a little more inclined toward people interested in the hardware technology of the camera. The electronic circuits in this camera are present in 3 boards. Here we have the camera video processor. This one is a Wi-Fi chip, a 125 megabyte non-volatile flash memory, the 4 amp battery charger. This is the second board, consisting of the integrated spotlights and the infrared lights for night vision. Here's the third board. This contains your motion sensor, which facilitates Arlo's event-based video recording. And here's a camera lens mount. Underneath the lens mount is the camera image sensor. And for those interested, here is the list of the main electronic components, its manufacturer name, and their part numbers. See you in the next video. Thank you.